Hi, hello, I'm Srinivas from HR Talks with Srinivas. Did you know that your EPF account already gives your family up to 7 lakhs life cover without you paying a single rupee? It is called the Employees Deposit Linked Insurance Scheme or EDLI. In the next 5 minutes, I will explain exactly how it works, who is eligible, and how your family can claim it if the need ever arises. What is EDLI? EDLI is a life insurance benefit linked to your EPF membership. If you are an EPF covered employee, you are automatically covered by EDLI unless your employer has an EPFO approved group term insurance with equal or better benefits. It is a built-in security net for your loved ones. How the payout is calculated? The payout is linked to your average monthly EPF wage and your EPF account balance. Here is the formula: 35 times your average monthly EPF wage capped at 15,000 rupees plus up to 1,75,000 based on your EPF balance. The maximum payout is 7 lakh rupees. And if you have been continuously employed for at least 12 months, your family is guaranteed a minimum of 2.5 lakh rupees. Who pays? You don't pay a single rupee for EDLI. Your employer contributes 0.5% of your pay capped at 75 rupees per month per employee. This is in addition to their regular EPF contributions. Let us see 2025 updates. As of August 2025, there are important changes you should know. Number 1. If death occurs within 6 months of the last PF contribution and you are still on the company's rolls, you are covered. Number 2. A gap of up to 60 days between jobs will still be treated as continuous employment for the minimum assurance test. Number 3. If your PF balance is low, under 50,000 rupees, the minimum payout will still be 50,000 rupees under the balance linked clause. Now let us see how to claim it. If something happens, here is how your nominee or family can claim EDLI. Step 1. The nominee listed in your EPF account fills Form 51F. If there is no nominee, eligible family members can claim. Otherwise, the legal heir can apply with succession papers. Step 2. Attach the death certificate, your bank details, KYC documents, and get the form attested by the employer. Step 3. Submit the form to the EPF office. In most cases, it is filled along with PF Form 20 and Pension Form 10D. The payout is credited directly to the claimant's bank account. Let us see some examples. Let's make it real. Example 1. Average EPF wage is 15,000 rupees. 35 times of that is 5,25,000 rupees plus 1,75,000 rupees from the balance linked part. That is total comes around 6,75,000 rupees. Example 2. Average wage is 6,000 rupees. Then 35 times of that is 2,10,000 plus 5,000 from balance linked part. With 12 months continuity, the family gets the minimum of 2.5 lakh rupees. Example 3. PF balance is under 50,000 rupees, then benefit computed under balance linked clause at least 50,000 rupees will be paid. Now let us see some frequently asked questions. Does it cover all kinds of death? Yes, natural or accidental, even outside work. What if company has a group term plan? If it is EPF approved and offers equal or better benefits, EDLI may not apply. Do contractors or apprentices get it? If they are EPF covered and contributions are made, yes, they will get it. Now let us see the call to action. Here is what you can do today is update your EPF nominee details on the UAN portal. Ensure your KYC is complete. Tell your family members about 51F and where to find it. This is one action could make a 7 lakh rupees difference for your loved ones. Stay informed, stay secure. If you like my videos, please like it, subscribe it and share the video to others. Thank you.